Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today's video is all about 9 household product changes that will save you money and reduce clutter in your home. We will discover that a few simple trades can spark joy in our homes and in our hearts. Throughout this journey, we will be guided by 2 principles: reducing clutter and saving money. These principles are related to each other if you think about it. Let us begin, knowing that each step we take towards a more mindful existence is a step worth taking. Our first swap brings us to the heart of the kitchen, a place where practicality and joy often meet. For years, many of us have relied on disposable paper towels for a multitude of cleaning tasks. But let us ask ourselves, do these paper towels truly spark joy? Or do they contribute to a sense of clutter and waste? Imagine instead reaching for a soft, absorbent cloth, its presence a reminder of our commitment to a more sustainable lifestyle. Reusable cloths, readily available and easily cleaned, are a wonderful alternative to their disposable counterparts. They absorb spills with grace and efficiency and can be used for a variety of cleaning purposes. By embracing reusable cloths, we not only reduce the amount of paper waste we produce, but we also create a sense of intentionality in our cleaning routines. Each use of the cloth becomes an act of care, both for our homes and for our planet. Now, some may worry about the appearance of a well-loved cleaning cloth. Will it not become stained and worn with use? And to that, I say yes, it will bear the marks of its service. But let us not view these imperfections as flaws, but rather as badges of honor, testaments to the cloth's dedication to keeping our homes clean. Just as a cherished piece of clothing tells a story, so too does a well-used cleaning cloth. Furthermore, the cost savings of switching to reusable cloths are not to be overlooked. While a roll of paper towels may seem inexpensive at first glance, the costs accumulate over time. Reusable cloths, on the other hand, are an investment. By choosing to embrace reusable cloths, we are making a conscious decision to invest in the long-term well-being of our homes and our planet. Just as we strive to create a sense of calm and order in our homes, so too should we extend this mindfulness to how we hydrate ourselves. Plastic water bottles, while convenient, often contribute to a sense of visual clutter. Imagine instead reaching for a sleek, reusable water bottle, its presence a reminder of our commitment to both our health and the well-being of our planet. Reusable water bottles, available in a variety of materials and designs, are a testament to the elegance of simplicity. They are free from unnecessary embellishments, their purpose clear and unwavering. Choosing a reusable water bottle that sparks joy for you, whether it be a vibrant color or a minimalist design, can elevate the simple act of drinking water into a moment of mindful self-care. Imagine carrying your reusable water bottle with you throughout the day, a silent companion reminding you to stay hydrated and refreshed. With each sip, you are making a conscious choice to nourish your body and reduce your environmental impact. No longer will you be faced with the dilemma of what to do with a discarded plastic bottle. Instead, you will experience the satisfaction of knowing that you are making a difference, one sip at a time. Moreover, the financial benefits of switching to a reusable water bottle are undeniable. While the initial cost of a reusable bottle may be higher than a single-use plastic bottle, the long-term savings are substantial. By choosing to invest in a reusable water bottle, you are making a commitment to both your financial well-being and the health of our planet. And that, my friends, is a decision that we can all feel good about. Coffee, the aroma, the warmth, the gentle ritual of brewing a cup each morning, it sparks joy for so many of us. But did you know that you can enhance this joy by using a reusable coffee filter? Imagine starting your day knowing your delicious cup of coffee is also a gift to our planet. Single-use coffee pods, while convenient, create unnecessary waste. Each pod is a tiny package of plastic or aluminum destined for a landfill. By choosing a reusable filter, you can savor your coffee knowing each cup is free from that burden. Switching to a reusable filter is a simple act of intention that can truly spark joy. Not only will you reduce waste, but you might even discover a deeper appreciation for the art of coffee making. It's about savoring the entire process, from scooping the fragrant grounds to enjoying that final satisfying sip. So I encourage you to embrace the reusable filter. What type of reusable filter is right for me? There are many options, each with its own charm. Stainless steel or cloth filters are perfect for simplicity. For a richer flavor, choose a French press. Pour-over cones offer a meditative experience. Choose what fits your lifestyle and brings peace. Find what works best for you. Explore and experiment with different types. Your taste buds, wallet, and planet will thank you. In today's fast-paced world, Our lives are often a whirlwind of appointments and deadlines. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the need to keep everything organized. Embracing the digital world can bring calm and order to your life. A digital calendar offers a seamless way to manage your time. Making the switch can feel like a breath of fresh air. One of the most appealing aspects of a digital calendar is its ability to send reminders. Imagine this. You're working on an important task when a gentle notification pops up. No more missed meetings or forgotten deadlines. Digital calendars can be easily shared with family members or colleagues. Imagine the joy of coordinating schedules effortlessly. Embracing a digital calendar creates a sense of calm and control. Cleaning. It's essential for a joyful home, but too many products can overwhelm. Do we need a different cleaner for every surface? No. Embrace a multi-purpose cleaner. One bottle, multiple uses. It's practical and eco-friendly, a reason to celebrate. The beauty of a multi-purpose cleaner lies in its versatility. From countertops and sinks to floors and appliances, one cleaner can effectively tackle a multitude of surfaces. Imagine the satisfaction of wiping down your entire kitchen with just one product, and the benefits don't stop there. Many multi-purpose cleaners are now formulated with natural ingredients, making them gentle on both your home and the environment. You can clean with confidence knowing you're not exposing your loved ones to harsh chemicals. When choosing a multi-purpose cleaner, opt for one that sparks joy with its scent and effectiveness. A clean and fresh aroma can uplift your mood as you tidy, making the entire process more enjoyable. Remember, simplifying your cleaning routine is about creating a sense of calm and order in your home. By embracing a multi-purpose cleaner, you're taking a step towards a more streamlined and joyful approach to cleaning. And that, my friends, is truly something to be celebrated. Have you ever considered the waste from disposable razors? Millions end up in landfills, taking hundreds of years to decompose. It's time for a sustainable approach to smooth skin. Meet the elegant solution, the safety razor. Crafted from durable materials, it reduces waste and elevates your routine. Using a safety razor might seem intimidating, but it is a simple and satisfying experience. Approach it with mindfulness and a gentle touch. Lather up with a rich shaving soap and a soft brush. Hold the razor at a slight angle and use short, gentle strokes. Let the weight of the razor do the work. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you care for your body. Rinse the razor thoroughly and store it in a dry place. Caring for your razor ensures its longevity. And now, let's talk about transforming our dining experiences with a touch of simple elegance cloth napkins. While paper napkins may seem convenient, they contribute to a significant amount of waste, and they lack a certain warmth. Cloth napkins, on the other hand, can bring a touch of sophistication and sustainability to every meal. Imagine soft, absorbent cloth napkins gracing your table, adding a touch of refinement to your everyday routine. They invite us to slow down, savor our meals, and appreciate the simple act of nourishment. Switching to cloth napkins is an opportunity to elevate our relationship with our homes and create a more mindful dining experience. The beauty of cloth napkins lies in their versatility. From casual family dinners to special occasions, they effortlessly enhance the ambiance of any meal. They are available in a variety of colors, patterns, and fabrics, allowing you to express your unique style and create a dining experience that sparks joy. Embracing cloth napkins is a simple yet powerful step towards reducing waste in our homes. Unlike their disposable counterparts, cloth napkins can be washed and reused countless times, minimizing our environmental impact. Just imagine the countless paper napkins we can save from ending up in landfills. The act of caring for our cloth napkins can also be a mindful practice. Washing and folding them can be a meditative experience, allowing us to connect with our homes and cultivate a sense of gratitude for the items we use every day. Folding each napkin can be a small act of self-care, a moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Furthermore, cloth napkins are an investment that can save money in the long run. While the initial cost may seem higher than disposable napkins, their reusability makes them a more economical choice over time. This allows us to invest in quality items that spark joy and reduce unnecessary spending on disposable alternatives. And now, we're back in the kitchen. It's a space that holds so much potential for happiness and mindful living. We often find ourselves reaching for plastic wrap to cover leftovers or half-cut fruits. While seemingly convenient, this single-use plastic brings with it unnecessary clutter and a heavy burden for our planet. Just imagine a drawer overflowing with tangled plastic wrap, clinging to everything and creating a sense of chaos. It doesn't spark joy, does it? There's a better, more sustainable way to preserve freshness and maintain order in our kitchens: reusable silicone food covers. These versatile covers, available in a delightful array of sizes and colors, stretch to snugly fit bowls, containers, and even directly onto fruits and vegetables. They create an airtight seal, locking in freshness and preventing spills, just like their disposable counterparts. But unlike plastic wrap, they can be washed and reused countless times, bringing a sense of calm and intention to our kitchens. Visualize opening your drawer and finding a neat stack of silicone food covers, each one ready to fulfill its purpose. No more wrestling with tangled plastic, no more unnecessary waste. Just a feeling of peace and satisfaction, knowing you're making a conscious choice for yourself and the environment. These covers are incredibly easy to use and clean. Simply wash them with warm, soapy water after each use, or pop them in the dishwasher. Their durability ensures they'll last for years. They'll save you money in the long run and reduce the amount of waste you produce. Remember, tidying is not about deprivation. It's about surrounding ourselves with items that spark joy and reflect our values. By choosing reusable silicone food covers, we're choosing to create a more organized, sustainable, and joyful kitchen. It's a small change that can make a world of difference. Let's talk about energy, the lifeblood of our modern lives. We rely on batteries to power so many things, from remote controls to children's toys. But often we choose disposable batteries without considering the impact they have on our homes and our planet. Think about that drawer, the one where batteries often end up. It's likely a jumbled mess of various sizes and brands, some even corroded, leaking, and no longer sparking joy. It's a source of frustration, a reminder of wasted resources. Disposable batteries, while seemingly convenient, contribute to a cycle of buy, use, and discard. They end up in landfills, releasing harmful chemicals into the environment. But there's a better way to power our lives, a way that aligns with our values of sustainability and mindful living. Rechargeable batteries. Imagine a drawer where batteries are neatly stored, charged, and ready to power your devices. Rechargeable batteries offer a sustainable alternative, minimizing waste and saving you money in the long run. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you're making a positive impact with each charge. These little powerhouses can be recharged hundreds of times, reducing the number of batteries ending up in landfills. They might require a slightly higher upfront investment, but their long lifespan makes them a more economical and environmentally friendly choice. Choosing rechargeable batteries is a simple act of intentionality. It's about aligning our actions with our values, creating a home and a world that sparks joy for us and future generations. It's about appreciating the energy that flows through our lives and choosing to use it responsibly. As we conclude our journey through these 9 simple product swaps, I encourage you to reflect on the spaces in your home and the items within them. Remember, tidying is not just about decluttering. It's about making conscious choices that spark joy and align with our values. By embracing reusable alternatives, we're not only simplifying our lives and saving money, we're also reducing our environmental footprint and creating a more sustainable future. It's about finding joy in the everyday, in the simple act of choosing items that are both functional and kind to our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more joyful and sustainable lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, please share the video with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments what products you have swapped out to save money. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips on tidying, organizing, and sparking joy in your life. Until next time, may your home be your haven of peace and happiness, and we'll see you in the next episode.